Ozark Trail Gazebo Instructions. Ozark Trail gazebos are manufactured by NorthPole, Limited, and sold exclusively at Wal Mart. The gazebos provide a weather-resistant shelter that is both portable and fairly easy to assemble. When setting up your Ozark Trail gazebo, it is best to find a level area of ground where no trees or branches will interfere with the structure. You will find it much easier to assemble the gazebo if you enlist the help of another adult. Things you'll need: gazebo frame, fabric shell, stakes, hammer. Assembly. Remove the metal gazebo frame from the carrying bag. Stand the frame upright so that the four leg bases are touching the ground. Have each adult grasp a leg. You should be on diagonal corners. Slowly walk backward with the frame to unfold it to maximum width. Slide the roof lock mechanisms up toward the roof until they click into place. There is one lock on each of the four legs. Unfold the fabric shell and lay it over the roof. Adjust the shell so that the corners are lined up with the frame. Move under the gazebo and tie the shell's nylon ties onto the frame. The shell should fit snugly over the frame. Place one foot on a leg base and grasp the leg near the center. Pull up to extend the leg. Continue pulling until it clicks and locks into place. Repeat with each leg. Legs will be slightly angled out. Place a stake in the hole of a leg base, and push it into the ground. Tap with a hammer if necessary. Repeat for each leg. Disassembly. Pull each of the four stakes out of the ground. Working simultaneously with a second adult, press on the button located near the center of the leg to unlock it. Lower the leg. Repeat with the other two legs. Untie the nylon ties, located under the shell. Lift the shell off the frame and fold it neatly. Press the snap buttons, located on the top of each leg. Slide the roof downward, and collapse the frame. Place all items in the supply carry bag to store them.